Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add free shipping on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for shopify.com, then sign in your account. And once you are here, what you need to do is to click on the settings section at the lower left corner of your screen. Now click on shipping and delivery. Now what you need to do is to click here at the manage button. Now let me just go ahead and remove this one for the shipping zones. Now click on create zone. Now choose all of the countries or country where you want to set the free shipping. Okay, so let me just go ahead and choose this one. For the international, you can just go ahead and choose any countries that you want. Now click on done. Now to add the free shipping, click on the add rate right here. Now let's just go ahead and name it as free shipping. Now for the price, just go ahead and put 0. Okay, so here free right here. Click on done. And now as you can see that the shipping fee here in the Philippines is free. Okay, so now that is how you add free shipping on Shopify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.